Boys to the girls to the first ever toy review from a thrift store. Let's do some toy review. Okay, I'm doing this. First on the top we have Mario Kart. Looks like it is definitely gotta be Toad. It's Toad from Mario Kart. It's a toy from McDonald's. Let me pop the fucker open and roll. Let me pause and I'll be right. Alright, I got the toy open. Basically what the gimmick is basically you pull it back or something and it's supposed to run. Oh no, it comes with stickers and you put the stickers on, and so you put the stickers on, and yeah, give me another minute to set this up. And there we go. You're going to just roll, baby, roll all night long. And next on the set we have from McDonald's some Pokemon 2019 toys. Give me a second, open up, and I'll be right back with you. You have to collect, appears to be, you have to collect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. Don't need instructions, I know how these work. It's a Pokemon card. I'll open this up in a different video. The one we have is Magmar. This little Magmar little disc. And the gimmick of this is basically you open it up, you aim it, fire it, boom, and you have these things. And as you can see here at the back, circle beats X, X beats square, and square beats circle. Next we have this old toy from Megamind. The mighty dude himself. I forget his name, but basically the gimmick of this guy is left, right, punch left, punch right. Be a bad guy. I mean, he's pretty cool. That's all he does. Next we have Chipmunks Chipwrecked. Little Theo with his little life little floaty life thingy, whatever those things are called. He's on this side of the boat to save people. You know what I mean? He floats in the water. I wish I had water.